Hello guys, I have received a package from Enfield and we are all set up ready for the tour, and these are the gears that I'll be wearing for the tour. So first thing first, I received this riding jackets and some other gears. So let me bring back the camera to the front first. Hello guys from Guwahati, I'm Onananti and I'm so happy to show you all these gifts from Enfield. Yes, I have a few merch here, apparels from Enfield, and we're gonna start riding for 5 days. So I'll be wearing all these gears and see and give you a feedback, the truth, whether it's really comfortable, whether it's really wearable during the ride or not. So yeah, let me show you first what I got. So first, since we are going to Arunachal, we are going to Dawang, we are going to Tirang. They first gave us this, I want to show you first this cap. So you can wear this inside the helmet, or when you take off your helmet, you can just wear this cap, Olin cap. It's very good quality. So yeah, this is the one, and this one is it costs 900. No sohe, and the quality is really good. So I'll be wearing this one. And the second one, I have received gloves. I love these gloves. So these gloves, is it costs for like around 2,250. So this one looks very nice. It has red brown in it. Bandana. Yeah. So this is looking good. This is perfect size for me. I love it, and it has protection here. So this can be very helpful on the way when you meet something and you want to encounter. This can be your safety gear, you know. This can be your protection. In case if anything happens, if someone attacks you, this can save your life. Yeah, so I got two gloves from Enfield. This is the one. This one you can wear during summer as well, and this one is pretty very exclusive, limited edition. I should say this gloves is very expensive as well. This gloves actually it's chargeable, and you can wear this in the snow. This is made exclusively for the snow ride. So this gloves, it costs a little bit more than the usual gloves. It costs around 9,000, and this is the specialty about it. You can charge this gloves for like around 3 hours and it's good to go. You can just wear this and it will keep your hand warm, and also it has see here, it has an adjustment as well, like if you want to give more warmer, or you know, adjust the heat. So it's good. So I should say 9,000 gloves looks perfect to me. I'll give an honest review only after the ride, after 5 days. So this one looks good to ride. And let me show you the charging point, the charger. Ooh! Oh, what is this? It's a battery. Yeah. So it has a battery And this is a charger. So this is the charger. So this is the charger, and you will have to charge this one battery. Let me show you the battery, how it looks. Ha! This is the battery. Even I don't know how to wear this one. It's my first time seeing these gloves. Ha! And then this is how you charge. It has a 2 charging point, 2 charger. So ये था लो, उसके बाद अंदर बिठा दीजिए. So next we have this warmer. I don't know what this is. Let's just check. I was told that it's a warmer, but I don't know what warmer is it. Oh, it's a muffler. Muffler in Royal Enfield. Wow. So it's super warm, it's super comfy, and it's nice. It's a little heavy though. It's a little heavy, but it's warm. Bandana. And it costs only 1,600. So this is nice. I can wear this in the middle of the ride. And I also received this Bandana t-shirt. I love it. I love this t-shirt. It's nice, it's looking good. And it's like about 1,200. It's pretty good. I love this color, bluish. Yeah. I love this bag, and it's black color. Black color, so it's good. It has a safety padded here. It's a waterproof pants, and it has a layer inside. It will keep you warm during the ride. So this is so good. And if you want to know about the price of this pant, it's only 10,500. Only. Yeah, it's 10,500. I should say it's worth it. It's a little expensive though, but it's worth it because it has a warmer inside, and then cares, safety care. Tuck, 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 tuck. So it's good. I love it. I will show you. I'll be wearing this pants. I'll be wearing all these gears, and I'll give you a feedback on this. And I also got this jacket. It has written Royal Enfield. This is the jacket I'll be wearing. It has this thing everywhere, protection everywhere. Here, look at this design. I love it. I love it. And hey, look here. Bandana. So this is a raincoat. You can just put it in your bag, and whenever it rains, you can just take it out, stop by somewhere, and then you just wear, and it's good. So this is the best jacket, I should say. Yeah, I love it. So here, guess what's here inside? This is a helmet. have a huge collection. Like, I love helmets, and I have few collections as well, and this is going to be one of those collections. Wow, I love this. So we just put this up and you can wear it. Let me show you how to wear a helmet. So this is how I look with a helmet. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually really good. Wow. Wow. So it's nice. And if you want to know this price, it's around 3,900. Oh, not bad. Okay, so this is a granite black. I love it. It has a design here. It goes around. So what actually you can do is you can put the GoPro here or even here. So I'll figure it out tomorrow. So thank you. I love this. I have many collections, but I did not have pure black collections. I mean pure black helmet, but now I get one. So thank you for this. Last but not the least, I have two more. So this is bandana. So you wear this one here, you wear this one, and then you wear the helmet, and it's really useful. I love the color as well. It's yellow. It's fresh yellow. So if you're wondering what is this, let me show you. Give woman the right shoe and she will conquer the world. So this is my shoe, okay? So I received this shoe as well, these boots, riding boots. It's a waterproof boot, and I just love this design. It's simple and it's black and it's comfortable for sure. Let me wear and see. Ha! So my friends were saying it's really comfortable, so even I want to wear it and see if it's really comfortable or not. Ha! Bandana! This is it! So it's nice, it's really comfortable, it's perfect, it's my size, a button size. Hey, it's perfect. Let me see the size of this. It's UK 41, UK 7. So I have a big foot, by the way, so it fits perfectly. And if you want to know this price, it's only 12,990. Yeah, it's 12,990, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. Let me experience this tomorrow and for the next 5 days and get back to review, honest review. All right. So guys, that comes to the end of my unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and more videos on the way. Stay tuned.